We're doing a balcony tour of our room 11162 on the Norwegian Breakaway.
And that's what's next. So when you enter your cruise room, you're gonna have some buttons up here on makeup room or do not disturb. It puts a light on the outside of the room. And then you're gonna have a little box down here that you put your card in, and that's what'll get your electricity going. Right over here on the wall, you're gonna have your AC controls for heat or cooling. And then this light switch controls the light behind this door.
This is the bathroom!
Which has some hooks on the doors right here to hang your towels and probably some wet clothes. And of course, there is a full mirror for all you ladies right here. And like the last ship I was on, watch your step really means it. This thing is about 5 inches high and it'll break your toes.
So on the wall as you enter, you've got 2 bars for your towels to hang on. We've got our sink and some hand soap with some cup holders.
Those are just cups.
We've got some shelves attached to the mirror for some more towels.
I want to interrupt this broadcast because on MSC, they don't give you face towels because you only had the giant towels instead of face towels. On NCL, face towels.
Then down below, you've got where your toilet paper is and 2 more shelves. And over here, we've got some tissues. The box is hidden. Door underneath the sink, and then we've got a trash can and some more shelving on the inside. Coming around to the next wall, we've got the potty. There's a button on the back wall to make it flush. And coming around here, we've got the shower with a nice frosted door so you can have some privacy in here. And once you step inside, you've got 2 racks here to put some items. Look, you don't even have to bring your own body wash or shampoo and conditioner. It's already here for you to save some packing space. And for the shower head, it is adjustable. It will move up and down. You can take this off here to wash places. There's a bar here for stability if you need.
If the boat's rocking, you might want to hold on.
And at the very top of the shower, you've got this cord here, which comes out to be a clothesline for you to hang things up to dry. And that's the bathroom.
Then we come over here to a whole big old couch we can relax on, which can be made into a bed if you have an extra person in here. We have some artwork. That's really not a beach I want to go to, but hey, okay, it's artwork.
It's a little rocky.
And then when you pan around, you do have our closet space, which we've stored everything in. It's tons of shelves on this side with a safe in the back. And on the other side is the hanging side, which stored all the rest of our garbage. Yeah, like you don't know what a closet is. We have a great mirror over here. Your refrigerator is below here in the cabinet. And man, they gave us a lot of flow water. Make sure you've paid for them or came with your package.
We had a package where we had 6 free. I don't know why we had 18.
And they gave us 18, so we're gonna make sure we do not drink more than 6.
Right.
And don't ever hang anything from these things. Also below the mirror over here, if you want to use adapters, you can plug it to this. This is the light switch for there, and our 2 plugs. Only 2 plugs in the whole cabin. I have a splitter for USB so we can charge both of our phones and still have 1 more plug to go.
Ah, ladies, you're looking for the hair dryer. It is underneath the table right here. And also down here is a little storage cabinet on wheels.
I did notice the lighting, you can actually move around, but it doesn't really change the lighting at all. We roll over here to our TV set. Remote's on the other side of the room. Haven't really used it much, but it's there if you want it. Then you roll over to 2 twin beds pushed together, made into a queen with beautiful backlighting behind the bed and that little magazine rack where they leave us sometimes the
freestyle daily schedule.
That's the word. And they'll hang it up there or put it on your desk. You have your light switches over here, and also nicely tucked back here by the bed are 2 more light switches to operate all the lights in the room. And then these 2 little cabinets right on the side where you can store stuff or just put you a drink at the end of the night. The bed is very comfortable. It does have kind of a duvet on top and pillow top under there. And then you have what everybody loves about a cruise ship is your own private balcony. And that's the Carnival dream.
So when you are headed outside to your balcony, take notice there's not a lot of walking room between the bed and the door. And also there is a big step to over the...
It's another toe breaker.
But once you get out here, it is beautiful. With 2 nice chairs and a table to set your drinks on, or maybe have some coffee in the mornings or bring some food back for breakfast.
So it's a balcony for 2.
It is. And it's a nice place I like to get up to watch sunrise.
What's really good is you can get up in the morning and find out what the temperature's like for the day and what it's going to feel like that morning if you're getting up to go wander around.
We are still in port, and we are watching people come back on because it's almost time for us to sail away.
And we can peep into the other people on the Carnival Dreams cabinets right now. Cabins?
Hello.
I wonder if there's going to be any pier runners.
It just rained, by the way, and it feels amazing out here.
Yeah, it did get a lot cooler. Probably dropped about 10 degrees. But if you like that, we're about to show you a solo room. That's what's next.